Vitamix or Blendtec? Which one is the better choice for you today? Okay, we're going to run both machines at the same time to compare how the soup setting works on each and see which one comes out smoother. Okay, so now you can see I have 2 pans, each have 8 regular tomatoes, an onion quartered, and 4 red bell peppers. And I'm going to put in just a little garlic. We just use the squeeze stuff because it's so convenient. And a little bit here and here, here and here. And then drizzle with olive oil. Nice drizzle. We're going to blend that together. We're going to let that roast to get it all smooth. So here we go. Make sure it's nicely tossed. I put it over parchment paper so it's just less cleanup, and that just makes it easier to go. In a head-to-head comparison, you can see they stand just about the same size. Although the Blendtec does have a little bit more quart capacity than the Propel 510 of the Vitamix brand. One thing I really like about this is the Blendtec has a smaller base compared to the power and the heaviness of the Vitamix. You'll see here the button, the dial, and the pulse button with the power button down below. And on the Blendtec, you see the different models all the way through here. You've got the screen that tells you with the power button behind. You've got your mix, your margaritas, your smoothies, your cold desserts and ice cream, a cold chop, and hot soups. You've got the pulse over here, and here you have plus and minus over your power overall. Whereas here on the Vitamix, you have your pulse right here. You have only 3 settings: smoothies, frozen desserts, ice creams, and hot soups. And then you have the dial that you can adjust accordingly. So you have the power on, you set it to what you need, and then you push this to start. Another interesting comparison is how the containers actually go on the base. This one goes on comfortably, nice and smooth, whereas with the grooves on the Vitamix, it has to match directly with. And so sometimes it takes a little minute to actually jump on there. That's the only difference I've noticed overall in comparisons in just simple everyday use. Okay, the timer just went off and we're ready to take it out. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so for the Vitamix, we're going to set it to the hot soup setting. And over here on the Blendtec, we're going to set this to the hot soup setting, and it starts. So in the final analysis, my family has been a Vitamix owner for years. We've had one that's traveled all around the country with us, but this Blendtec has just really impressed me with the quality, with how small it is overall in the size, with the capacity of the container, and all of the different options. I have to tell you, I really thought the Vitamix would be the final choice, but for me and my family, it's gonna be Blendtec. When it comes to finding the perfect blender, we're ready to help. We're Bestcovery, trusted by you, discovered by us.